This is Silverline diesel engine compression testing kit. It includes adapters for most diesel-equipped cars, trucks, and tractors. 0 to 1000 psi pressure gauge. Quick coupler allow easy connections of adapters. Pressure reservoir allow repeated on-vehicle testing. So it's very good and strong, of a high quality for diesel engine compression testing. It's the pressure gauge, which has dual temperature reading, racing bar 0 to 70 bar, and also racing psi 0 to 1000 psi. So these are the different adapters for different connections made by Silverline. Very strong and durable, of high quality.